Hello everyone. In this video we'll show how to send full screen high quality graphics message, or we can call it as a animation message in a iPhone or iPad. There are three different types we can send messages or SMS. First one is normal SMS, second one is with a simple animation, third one is the full screen high quality graphics or animation message or SMS. Open Messages app in iPhone or iPad. Select the contact number or Apple ID to send the animated message. When we tap on blue arrow send button, it will just send a simple SMS. Now we'll show how to send a simple animation message. Type the message, then tap and hold the blue arrow send button to reveal or open 4 simple animation types. Select any one of them and send it. I am sending this message to iPhone, and we can see the effect in iPhone right side, and also we have an option to replay the message. Now I am sending message from iPhone to iPad using animation option echo. Now we'll show how to send high quality full screen animation message. Type the message, then tap and hold the blue arrow send button. On top side of the screen we can see 2 options. Select the screen to choose 8 different full screen animations. We can swipe left or right to view different animations. Select the one which you want to use and tap on send. Continue watching the video where I am showing all other different types of animations. I am sending it from iPad to iPhone and iPhone to iPad.